Howdy y'all, this is K1 Locks. Today I come at you with a lock pin by Trekmaster30. Trekmaster30, and there's no name to it, which is kind of odd. This must be kind of an older one. Anyway, just got her open. So let's see if we can't get her again, shall we? Gotten some really nice movements on it so far. Let's get a little closer, shall we? There we go. Shoot, let's try and go counter. No, we're going to keep going clockwise, but we are going to rake it a wee bit. There we go. A really nice false set now. It's off at 2, I think. It's off of 5. Ooh. And there we go. Sweet. Nice. All right. Well, let's go ahead and put my picks away here real quick and get into this sucker, shall we? All right. So I'd really like to not have to take the key out, so let's see if we can make that happen, Captain. Sweet. Shoot. There we go. Nice, nice, nice. So we have serrated, small serrated. I don't know where my tweezers are, y'all. Huh. Alright, here's 3. Serrated, serrated, standard, and serrated. And in the core, it looks like we have serrations on 1, 4, and 6, and countermilling on number 2. So very nice, very nice. And let's see what we have up in the Bible, shall we? There you go. I have a spool. That's a spring there. Like a drunken spool. Yep. Here's your spring. Spool. Spring. I'm just going to take them out like this. Oh, there we go. It's like a double spool on that. Nice. There's the spring. There's a big old spool there. There's a spring for that one. And final little serrated spool, and there's the spring. So let's do a close-up, shall we? So we have serration on double serrated. We have like a T-pin, serrated, serrated, really nice little T-pin, serrations, serrated spool, a drunken spool, a double, like a small spool on each side, or a serration, big spool, and serrations, and all the springs are all the same. This again comes to us from Trekmaster30. This is K1 Lock saying be safe, be legal, and be the lock.